Concerns about COVID were a big part of a visit by the First Lady of the United States to Alaska.
Dr. Jill Biden is on her first solo international trip, headed to Tokyo for the Olympics, but first she made a stop in Anchorage today with a message.
Daniela Rivera joins us now with what she had to say. Daniela.
That's right. During her visit, Dr. Jill Biden toured Alaska's Native Medical Center, met with state health leaders, and urged Alaskans to get vaccinated to fight COVID-19. The First Lady landed at Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson just before 1, greeted by military members, veterans, and their families. Dr. Jill Biden then visited the Alaska Native Medical Center, meeting with ANTHC President Valerie Davidson and Alaska Chief Medical Officer Dr. Zink about the hospital's role in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic and some of the unique healthcare challenges Alaskans face.
We still have in our communities 32 villages that have never had running water.
The tour included a demonstration on telehealth, a service officials say has vastly improved access to health care in rural Alaska.
The silver lining to the pandemic has been the explosion of this telemedicine service.
And a report from Dr. Zink on the state's efforts to get COVID-19 vaccines to even the most remote parts of Alaska.
They took it out there, snow machines, dog sleds, ferries, boats, whale watching, fishing ships.
In remarks at the end of her visit, Biden said she'd asked for the stop in Alaska to be a little longer.
This state really is special to Joe and to me, and we've built so many deep relationships here over the years.
But her purpose during this visit, a public health message.
And Joe always said that he would be a president for all Americans, and that means we're going to fight for the safety of all Americans. We're going to fight for everyone. So I'm asking all of you who are listening right now to choose to get vaccinated. Maybe you think, whether or not one person gets vaccinated doesn't really matter, but it does.
A plea to Alaskans as the First Lady continues her journey to Tokyo.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. Please stay safe.
The First Lady made it back to J-Bear around 3 this afternoon. She's since left to continue on her journey to the Olympics in Tokyo.